Hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today as we have lots of going on. We have Habana still going to remain out at sea, and then we have severe weather expected throughout the next several days. Not right now anyways, for the next, starting on day 3 and then going through day 5 through 7, I believe. So you can definitely see we're going to start off with the tropics, and you can definitely see tropical cyclone Iman, and then you have Habana as well. We're beginning. Iman is basically dead. It's right now gonna. So yeah, it's definitely quite interesting. So yeah, hopefully things stay quiet. As we have severe weather, and these videos don't have to be extremely long because I'd rather have it structured as one, but I mean, it wouldn't make a huge difference. But we're gonna be getting right into the cone, and it can be definitely quite seen. 65 knots currently. It's dry air, just been doing its favor, and right now weakening it pretty significantly. You can definitely see it's expected to re-strengthen up to 115 knots, or around 1 minute, just 115 knots really. Category 4 strength anyways on the Saffir-Simpson scale. And this is my scent technically on the tropics. We'll be covering Habana for a while until it starts to dissipate really, relatively soon. No, not threat to any land, luckily. And we're going to be going right into the watches and warnings. I definitely see winter storm warnings for South Dakota, Colorado, winter storm warnings for California. It's a typical stuff. You can see red flag warnings also, though, for Arizona, New Mexico, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and Colorado. They're under pretty much an extreme fire danger. It's definitely not a good situation out there. Dry, warm air. It's dry lightning also is going to be possibly an issue. That's not good at all. You can definitely see right here though, marginal risk for Oklahoma, Kansas, maybe a smidgen portion of Oklahoma, Nebraska, and then Missouri. TGHQ actually is in this thunderstorm risk, which is quite interesting to say the least. We'll be getting a weather update action. We'll be giving out first possible thunderstorm of the year, and it's gonna be our first actual weather video of the year in real life. And you can definitely see we're looking at day 5 now, and Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe a smidget of Missouri under a 15%, which is equivalent to a slight risk. Day 5, this isn't the only day actually. We have day 6 and 7, which is quite a shocker that we've which is quite interesting actually, not a shocker, interesting. TGHQ actually hit 70 degrees also. That's on unrelated note. And you can definitely see day 6, Texas, Oklahoma, basically the same region, but it's more expanded. Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. It's right now we have a lot of slight risk technically, but just 15% anyways. Yeah. And then we'll be going into day 7, and we even seen a good amount of agreement though once you get weather around these regions. But Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, Texas. That's also another area. Day 7. I wouldn't say day 8, but it could be something prolonged. This is something of note, and it's gonna be quite interesting to see what happens. March is we've already entered 20L season technically, at least climatologically, yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's quite it for today's video. Hope you did enjoy. We have a lot of stuff going on. GGHQ could be seeing snow next week. I just looked and it's a disaster. First weather video though, we'll be having many actually, since it's gonna rain from Tuesday night, late actually, all the way through Friday night. So yeah, that's a lot of rain, and apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.